Here's a 2018 Lexus ES. Enjoy the exceptional world-class luxury of this stunning sedan, filled with refined craftsmanship found in every detail. It comes with great features you'll love: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual-zone climate control, Bluetooth, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, manual tilting steering column, front-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection reports, thanks to a quicker steering ratio and retuned suspension, the ES models feel slightly sportier from behind the wheel without sacrificing passenger comfort. It's still just as plush and quiet as ever. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today. Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.